back to my YouTube channel. Today is today. I'm here with my friend. Would you like to say anything?
Hi guys, I'm Rinley.
And it's your girl, Elise. So today, I will do a story time about why my channel name is called my channel name. But today is today. She's throwing slime everywhere. Today is today. We are doing Guess That Squishy Tag.
So do I close my eyes and squish them?
Yeah, so basically, I will choose a squishy and have you try to guess what it is, and you cannot take it out of the packaging, which makes it even harder. And then she'll choose one for me, and so on. So we'll just do a practice round.
First, can I squish all of them first?
No, because then you
That's a
know
new one.
I know. So go stand over there.
Wait, can I get a chair? Can I get the ball and put it right there?
No. Stand up. So basically, close your eyes. So this is basically a practice round, and then we'll keep track, and the winner has to give the other person $1.
What?
Yep, we agreed on it.
Oh, okay.
Close your eyes.
This is betting, Elise. Not sure that's
It's not betting.
Just grab this.
So here is the squishy.
Oh, this is easy. I saw this one before you gave.
So just guess what it is.
It's like the koala in a cup.
Yeah, this was a practice round though, so it doesn't count. So basically, here it is. It's a really sticky squishy. So I'm going to give her one first. Most of my mini squishies are harder to guess, so that will be in a separate video.
We've done this game before.
We have done this game before off camera. It's not. Okay,
For me,
basically,
it is.
let's get started. Okay, guys. So you're going to close your eyes.
I'm her best friend.
Yeah. So I'm going to make her close her eyes, and then I'm going to choose them with you guys. So, oh my gosh, this is going to be easy. She knows like what all of them are. Close your eyes. She knows like what all of these are. Okay. Guys, I found it. Yeah. She doesn't know this one, so I'm going to give her this one. Okay. I got it. Can you stop doing that? You're going to like crack the container. Here. Oh, you already cracked it. Too late.
Sorry. What's this? Oh, it's not very good.
Yeah.
Is it your fish? No.
No.
Dang it. It's a cat.
Wait, why did you open your eyes so soon?
Because I gave up.
Alright, guys, so I gave her my tiger pop. And the reason why it's not squishy is because it is rare. And rare squishies are expensive. And this is $5. So that's why I have rare mini and squishies more than big squishies because they're less expensive. Okay. Now she gets to choose. Now she gets to choose a squishy for me.
She closes her eyes. And I'm going to find a good one. Okay? See? Let's see. I'm going to look. They're all... no. She'll know this one. Ooh. No. It's too recent. She updates her squishies a lot. Wait!
Yeah.
Elise! Okay. To grab it. Find it. 1 second. Wait a second, please. Be patient. Be patient.
Okay, you have 5 seconds. 5.
Found it, I think.
Give it to me.
This one.
Well, you need to set the camera back up. Okay, hide the squishy. I'm going to set the camera back up.
No, I got it.
Okay.
How did you do this?
Okay, just hide the squishy.
Wait, no.
I'm opening my eyes.
Hold it. Squishy. I mean, no. That's the camera.
I'm opening my eyes. Hide the squishy. I'm going to be able to see it. In the camera. Okay. Okay, give me the squishy. Oh no!
What is this? I picked a good one. I knew she would.
Wait,
Now what?
is this my marshmallow man? He's like a square with a blue tie. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Okay, I think this game's over. Let's just review all of her squishies.
No, I've done that so many times. Next squishy! So I'm gonna choose one for her.
I'm bored.
Can you open my fence just in case you have any problems?
My turn.
No, I pick one for you.
I don't want to do this game anymore.
Just one more.
One more round.
Close your eyes. Okay, guys, here's the one that I chose. I have so many like this that she will not be able to guess.
Oh, it's probably a bun, isn't it?
Oh my god, how did you know?
Give it. Wait, I have to wait for it to rise. Is it sunglasses? Oh, dang it.
Sunglasses.
Smart. Oh, like laughing face.
Okay, guys, so I won the challenge.
And now we're gonna do a squishy fight.
No, we're not. Next video. Bye, guys.